Ananta Kumari from St. Javis Kindergarten. I will teach you computer in class 5. So today we will start our first chapter, and the chapter name is Evolution of Computers. In this chapter we will discuss about the evolution of computer, about the history of computers, and how the computer come into the existence. We will discuss about that also. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss what is the computer definition. Computer is an electronic device that performs arithmetical and logical operations both, right? You may have read different types of definitions. Initially, computers were used by scientists and engineers for complex calculations, right? And they were very expensive also. But nowadays, what happened? Nowadays, computers can be afforded by small organizations and workplaces, and even in the schools also. And computer is widespread nowadays, and it is less expensive also. So we will discuss now what is the meaning of computer. Computer is a word that comes from compute. See, computer, and this computer word has come from the word compute. Okay, now what is the meaning of compute? Compute meaning is to calculate. What is the meaning of computer? Compute meaning is calculate. So computer word has come from compute word, and it means to calculate. But nowadays computer is not limited for calculations only. It can do many more things. It can solve our logical problems also. It can give the answers of our queries also. Okay, so now we will discuss about the history of computers, means how the computer come into the existence. First of all, what was happening in the early human time? The people were using their fingers for counting, right? They are using pebbles for counting. But after that, when the complex calculations has come, they have started discovering different types of calculating devices. So first of all, they have invented a calculating device that is named as abacus. What was the name of first calculating device? The first calculating device was abacus. Okay, and it was invented in China. Where it was invented? It was invented in China. China has developed a small device. The name is abacus, and the abacus structure was like this type of structure. A slate kind of, and there were two parts. The top one part is called heaven. Okay, and the bottom part is called earth. You can easily understand it because heaven is in the space, so that's why it is on the top, and earth is down, so it is here also, it is in down position. Now in the heaven there were two beats for calculating. Okay, only two beats were used in heaven part, and in earth, on the earth side, there were 5 beats were used. Like this. And this device, so on. And this device was performing for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division as well as. Okay. Now after that, another calculating device has come, and that device was Pascal adding machine. adding machine was invented by Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician. Okay, who was invented this? This was invented by a French mathematician, and the name was Pascal adding machine, and it was invented by Blaise Pascal. He was invented it at the age of 19. Age of 19. He was invented it. Okay. He was very young on that time. In 1642. In the year of 1642. So, Pascal adding machine was the first mechanical calculator also, and it was invented by Blaise Pascal at the age of 1642. In this machine, wheels, gears and dials were used, and when the wheels were rotating, the numbers were displayed. Okay, by this calculator, only arithmetical operations like addition and subtractions can be performed. Okay, and now you can also see this type of calculator in nowadays taximeter also. So taximeter is an example of Pascal adding machine, the first mechanical calculator. Now we will move to our next calculating device, and that is Leibniz calculator. Next calculating device is Leibniz calculator. This calculator was invented in the year of 1671. Which year? 1671, by a German mathematician. Okay, in the year of 1671 by a German mathematician. And in this calculator, we can perform 4 mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division also. So Pascal adding machine was invented in 1642, and after a few years the new adding machine has invented, and that was Leibniz calculator. Okay, now we have seen the calculating devices. First was abacus. Okay, it was invented by China in 1300 BC. Okay, the second adding machine was Pascal adding machine. It was invented by Blaise Pascal in the year of 1642, and the third calculating device was Leibniz calculator by a French mathematician, German mathematician in the year of 1671. Okay, now we will see the computers, means the previous times computer, how these adding machines has influenced our modern era of computer, and how they have improvised our nowadays computer machine. Okay, so first we will discuss about the Charles Babbage. As you all know, who is Charles Babbage? Charles Babbage is the father of modern computer. Okay, so Charles Babbage was the father of modern computer, and now we will discuss the Charles Babbage machines and engines. We will study about that. Okay, Charles Babbage was an British mathematician. Okay, Charles Babbage. He was a British mathematician, and he has discovered 2 machines. First was difference engine, and the second was analytical machine. Okay, analytical engine. Now we will discuss these 2 machines one by one. Charles Babbage has invented difference engine in 1822. The first machine he was invented in 1822. Difference engine. And after 10 years, again, he has invented analytical engine. Okay. And in the analytical engine, it was 5 units. What was the 5 units? The 5 units was, first was input, second output, store, mill and control. Input, output, you know, input is giving the inputs to the, input is used for giving the inputs or instructions to the computer, and output is for showing the results from the computer, right? Now, why the store was used? Store was used for storing the data, and mill was used for calculating the units. Okay, store was the storing unit and mill was calculating unit. And last one is control. Control was used for the supervising of all the internal parts of the computer. And as you all seen that input, output and control, these 3 units are used in nowadays in modern computers. So that's why Charles Babbage is known as father of computer. So we will move to our next mathematician, and that was Augusta Ada Lovelace. You must have wondered that why all the mathematicians only discovered the calculating devices and computers, because obviously they have lots of calculations to do in their working time. So that's why they have invented calculating devices to make their work easy. Okay, so we will study now Lady Augusta Lovelace. She was known as the first programmer. She was the first programmer and she was the lady. So she was the first lady programmer. And who was she? Lady Augusta Lovelace. Augusta Ada Lovelace, and she was the first programmer. She has only given binary digits. What is the binary digit? Binary digit is 0 and 1, and these 2 digits only can be understood by computer, right? Because computer cannot understand our language. It has a different language. Means computer understand only 0 and 1, and that is binary digits. Okay. Let's move to our next mathematician, and he is George Boole. George Boole. He was an English mathematician, and he has given his Boolean logic, and that is nowadays using in computer circuits and electronic circuits also. And it is a fundamental principle of computer circuit. What he has given? He has solved the mathematical problems by reducing them to a series of negative and positive, and then after he was linked it with the binary digits. Okay, means 1 for positive and 0 for negative. Okay, if the answer comes in negative form, output will be 0, and if the answer comes in positive form, the answer will be 1. And these digits and this logic has called Boolean logic. And this is the fundamental principle of computer circuits. Okay. Now, the next mathematician and statistician is Dr. Herman Hollerith. and he has invented a tabulating machine. Okay, what he was invented? He was invented a tabulating machine. Dr. Hermann Harris. Tabulating machine. In this machine, input was given by the punched cards, okay, and it was capable of reading data. Means if we will give the input, it can read easily. After that, it was processing it also, and it was giving the desired output also. And the input was given through punched cards, okay, and punched cards were used for storing data and information. Okay, now we will discuss another mathematician, and that is Howard Ecke. What he has invented? Howard Ecke. He was the primary engineer in IBM sector. Okay, he was developed the first automatic sequence controlled computer in 1944, and the machine name was Mark I. Mark I. Okay, it was the first automatic sequence control computer. Means automatically, if we will give the input, it automatically processes it and automatically it gives the output. Okay, it was also capable of doing long computations. Okay, now many more scientists name and many more engines and machines name has given in your book. So we will discuss about that in the next video. First, we all revise once again what we have studied. The first calculating device. The first calculating device was abacus. Second was Pascal adding machine. Third was Leibniz calculator. And then after, we have discussed the inventors who has influenced our modern era computer. And the first, who is known as the father of computer, is Charles Babbage. He has invented two machines. First was difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. Okay, the next is Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace, and she was the first programmer. She has given the first time binary digits 0 and 1. Okay, the next mathematician was George Boole. He has given Boolean logic, and that is the fundamental principle of our computer circuits. The next was Dr. Hermann Harris. He was an English statistician, and he has given a machine. He has invented a machine that was named tabulating machine. And the last we have studied is Howard Ecke. He was invented a machine that is named Mark I, and he was invented it in 1944. Okay, so you revise all these things from your books, and the next page we will study in the next video. Okay, so bye bye.